magpaparenovate ka ng bahay? Para sa'yo ang video na to. Talk Talk! Renovation hacks you should know. Hack number 15!
And Joey
From Space Creative Solutions PH.
Today, we are going to talk about boards because not all boards are created the same. We are going to define and compare these two boards based on 4 categories. Number 1, the finishing or the aesthetics. Number 2, durability. Number 3, weight or yung bigat. And then number 4, syempre, price point.
There are 2 types of widely used boards in the market or in the construction world. The MDF or the medium density fiber board and the marine plywood. So this is a MDF. Kilala rin to as workhorse ng mga IKEA products.
At ito naman ang plywood, marine plywood.
So when it comes to aesthetic, mas smooth ang finish. Actually, it comes with different shades of laminate. So mas smooth na siya at mas maganda yung finishing ng mga MDF boards. On the other hand,
kapag plywood naman yung gamit natin, kailangan to ng pintura or varnishings and sanding para maka-achieve tayo ng magandang finish.
when it comes to durability, yung lifespan ng mga MDF boards ay medyo mas maikli lang. As you can see, I'm gonna show you. This one is an MDF. Over time, ang pinaka-nemesis niya actually is water. Kasi
Moisture.
na-absorb niya yung water o yung moisture. Bakit? Kasi it's made of particles or mga residue ng wood. Tapos pinagsama-sama gamit ang glue at saka resin.
On the other hand, si plywood naman made of many sheets or many sheets of wood na natural
Veneers,
wood.
yeah.
Yan. Na pinagdikit-dikit ng industrial and matibay na glue.
Yes.
Hence, matibay siya. So, resistant siya to moisture, lalo na kapag na-prep ng maayos, na pinturahan ng magandang klase ng pintura.
And i-add ko lang ha, ito rin yung mga ginagamit sa mga pagbuo ng mga bangka sa mga provinces. Ganun siya ka-tibay. Ganun siya ka-durable.
So, durability check for plywood.
When it comes to weight, for some reason, mas mabigat talaga yung MDF. And for sure, kung nakabili na kayo ng mga ready-made na mga cabinets sa mga mall, mapapansin nyo na sobrang bigat ng mga cabinet na nabili nyo because most probably, MDF yung board na ginamit doon.
Usually, yung mga ready-made na mga cabinets, na mga gamit na ganyan, is MDF yung material, kaya talagang mabigat siya. So, mas magaan ng konti si plywood. Mas matibay pero mas magaan lang ng konti. So, weight-wise, mas mabigat yung MDF and mas magaan si plywood.
And finally, in terms of pricing, mas mahal pa rin si marine. Bakit? It's made of real wood. So, mas mahal siya at mas cost-effective or cost-efficient yung mga MDF boards. Kaya nga yun yung mga for mass production. So, right now, sa market, kino-combine na rin yung mga marine, just like this one, ng mga laminates. So, mas mahal lalo kapag ka nagkaroon ng two-phase na sheets of laminates.
Ang tawag naman sa ganito ay machine press laminated marine plywood. So, mas matibay, mas maganda, mas mahal.
Additional information for everyone. So, hindi naman porket parang panalo talaga si Marine when it comes to durability and other considerations is hindi na natin gagamitin si MDF. Si MDF are friendly for indoor cabinets na walang moisture.
Yes,
like mga bedroom, mga TV racks.
Living area, ganyan.
Yes.
So hopefully, nakatulong sa'yo ang mga information na to para makapili ka kung anong klaseng board ang gagamitin mo sa mga cabinets sa bawat area ng bahay mo.
So as you can see guys, currently may ginagawa kami ngayon ditong cabinet kasi may nag-avail ng service namin. So just like our clients, you can avail our services. Ipa-flash po namin yung aming contact details sa screen. So
slide us a DM on our social media accounts and pwede nyo rin kaming kontakin sa aming mga phone numbers and email address.
that's it. Thanks for watching. Now you know.